Us, Sensei Clara here. In today's video, I'll walk you through Heian Nidan step by step.
Heian Nidan. Hey! Hey! From Yoi, you look left because you're going to the left. At the same time, you bring your hands together, making a fist, and left fist on top of the other, and you bring them to the side, belt level. Make sure you do this really fast, and then follow it up with the 2 blocks after. So from here, you're going to drop into back stance, kokutsu dachi, and double block. So here, right, when you do this, make sure that this arm is square. You're forming an L with this arm, right? The very first move, which is bringing your fists to the side, not every dojo does it, but my dojo does, and I've competed with this kata with the first move included, and I've won a few times, so it's up to you whether to omit it or include it in your kata. Right, so let's try again. From Yoi, looking left, and so we go ich. Nei. Nei is punching. You are punching to the side using your right arm. At the same time, you are pulling. Say, from here you were blocking an overhead strike. So you pull the arm, at the same time you punch. Now, next move is gonna be a hammer fist strike to the side. So pull the right arm back and strike. So in full, it's gonna look like this. Ich, nei, san. Right. This time, you are gonna look to the right, because you're going right, the same sequence. So ich. When you do this, make sure you are not coming up in height, and you are in, of course, back stance, followed up with a punch and a hammer fist strike. Nei, san. This move is followed by bringing your left leg to the center, right here, and make sure you don't come up in height. And at the same time, you bring your striking hand to your left side on top of your other hand, like this. At the same time, you are bringing this leg, the right leg, onto the other, doing a crane stance, getting ready to do a yokogeri kiyagi, which is a side snap kick. With a side snap kick, you are doing a back fist strike. And then you land into back stance, knife and block, kokutsu dachi, back stance. So from here, ich. So let's try that again. From this position, left leg to the center, hand to the side, crane stance, landing to back stance or kokutsu dachi, and shotoke or knife and block. Now moving forward, back stance, knife and block again. Ich. One more time. Knee. Next is you're going to do a pressing block with your left hand. Pressing block, at the same time moving forward, nokite or spear hand thrust. You're gonna land into front stance. So from here, ich, ai, and kiai. Right, with the full sequence from when we landed into back stance. Yeah, and ich, knee, ai, sun. Okay, from this position, you are going to turn just like in Heian Shodan. So turn 270 degrees. So you're gonna end up facing that way, back stance, knife and block. So to do that, bring your feet together by bringing your back leg forward. Okay, pivot. At the same time, bring your hands together, getting ready to do a shotoke. Follow this up with back stance, knife and block again, 45 degrees. Now to the other side. Here, and 45 degrees, shotoke. So from our last move here, going to the back, we're gonna step across with our left leg. We're gonna step across with our left leg this way, okay? Keeping your weight on the back leg because you're gonna switch. Okay, so from here, doing this, left leg across, keeping the weight on the back leg, and after switch to front stance, at the same time doing a gyaku ochioke, or a reverse inside block. So in full move, it's gonna look like this. Ich. From here, you're going to do a maigiri with your front leg. Here, and then step into front stance with gyakuzuki. Then follow this up with a reverse ochioke. At the same time, you're gonna move this leg a little bit back, but that's because of moving your hip. So when you twist your hip, it's gonna naturally pull your leg. So let's do that again from here. Now follow this up with a maigiri with your left leg. Here, and
Gyakuzuki reverse punch as your foot lands.
now the last move is gonna be a morote oke. That is augmented block, front stance. So from here, ich. Now, from this position, you're going to turn 270 degrees. So you're facing that way, front stance, downward block. Ich. Then 45 degrees angle into front stance, rising block here. Okay. Next, follow it up with a turn to that side and downward block, front stance. Last move is a rising block and a kiai. Hey! Then back to yoi and bow. That's the end of our kata. I hope you learned something from me today. If you have, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share, and like too. I'll see you next time. Ossu!